Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your number one source for income-oriented investing. In case you didn't know, a couple of months ago, I did launch YouTube memberships. I launched the PII Inner Circle membership program, and I keep getting questions about this, how to join properly, errors joining, and most importantly, or more importantly, how to take full advantage once you do become a member, how to navigate the membership tab. So in today's video, I'm going to take a little bit of time just to show you real quick how to take full advantage of all the perks and benefits of the PII Inner Circle and what to do or where to access them once you do become a member. So you could take full advantage of this program and know exactly where to go to get, to see the weekly opportunity report and newsletter, my stock trades, my live stock trades, etc., etc. So let's get started. All right, everyone, first things first, how do you join or how to become a member, the PII Inner Circle? It's very simple. When you're logged into your YouTube account, you see at the top right, make sure you're logged into the account you usually are logged into when you join the membership program, by the way. And if you click on any one of my videos, so this is my latest video, for example, my portfolio unveil, you will see a little join button where the subscribe button is or used to be. That is how you join the program. Okay, very, very simple. You click the join button. Also, if you're on the home page of my channel, you'll also see the little join button here. How do you access the home page of my channel, which is this right here? Very simple. On any one of my videos, just click the name of my channel. That will direct you to the home page of my channel where you could access my videos, my shorts, my lives, my playlist, community, and most importantly, a membership tab. So you will only see this membership tab if you are a PII Inner Circle member. So again, any one of my videos to join, you click the little join button. This will pop up here. There's two levels. I'll go through that in a second, but this is basically how you join the PII Inner Circle. You click join again here and you'll go through the payment and et cetera, et cetera. Now, I have heard of people saying that they don't see the join button if they're on their phone. My suggestion is go on a laptop or a computer, a desktop computer, if you don't see it for whatever reason. And the second tip I'll give you is when you're actually joining and going through the process, make sure you're logged into your correct YouTube account here, because let's say you always use your phone for YouTube and you go on your laptop and you're not even logged in to your YouTube account. You could actually click the join button, but you should be logged in. You should join the program when you're logged into your YouTube account. Okay, so that is how you join the program. Now let's get back to the perks and benefits. I'm going to explain all of them. So again, if you click the little join button, you will scroll down and see here are the perks basically. So of course you have exclusive members only videos, members only live streams, and my objective is really to publish one exclusive video or live stream a month. So I'll probably alternate between a video, then a live stream, a video, then a live stream, etc., etc. And where can you find these when you join? It's very simple, everyone, very easy. Right here on the homepage, if you're on the homepage, you scroll down, you will see the members only videos all published here. And again, you will see a membership tab. And if you click on the membership tab, anything that I post, including a new video, will be posted here. So for example, here is the exclusive video number 2, my dad's riff unveiled. So the membership tab will alert you when there's a new video, as well as the community post or the members only community post. And here is one we'll look at as an example. This is a live stock trade alert. So this would be referencing this perk here, real-time stock trade alert. So again, you're on the home page, you click on membership, you'll see all the members only posts, including live stock trade alerts. So what are live stock trade alerts? Well, I'm basically telling you what I'm buying or selling or doing the day that I do it, so you don't have to wait for the next portfolio unveil. So think of this like a little preview of my next portfolio unveil. A lot of people follow my portfolio religiously and what I do. So this is a perk and benefit of being a PII Inner Circle member. You're literally in the inner circle. So I'm advising you what I'm buying and selling the day of. So it'll look something like this. You have the date, which account, which stock, the transaction, and my justification and reasoning. This is an example from a move I did on July the 24th. So that is reference to the real-time stock alert. Then you have the weekly newsletter and opportunity report. This is what I really like and what I'm excited about. I know many of you love it. Every Friday I try to do it before noon, but every Friday, again, in the membership tab, I release a weekly opportunity report, and this is the picture you'll see this every Friday. So this is what it looks like. Think of this like a newsletter. So if there's any news in the income world, a new fund, a distribution increase, a distribution reduction, I'm always surveying the landscape when it comes to income investing on both the Canadian and American market. So think of this weekly report as a newsletter and also as an opportunity report, because I'm letting you know, of course, these are my opinions, which sectors I feel are undervalued and which funds you could invest in to capitalize. So let's look at the weekly opportunity report from July 28th. As an example, first thing you'll see is undervalued sectors. So right now I feel financials and real estate are undervalued. Are there sectors to watch that are maybe starting to look undervalued? I'll put them here. Then I summarize kind of the Canadian market landscape, if there's any notable news. And I'm not talking about stock market news, although I'll put that there if there's anything big, but really news on the income funds that we follow here on this channel. So here's an example. First round of dividends declared for the New Horizons ETFs, HDIV dividend increase, UMAX first dividend declared. So if there's any news on the income funds on the Canadian market, I would put that here. As well as I even have a split fund news tab if there's any news or notable news I want you to know about when it comes to split share funds. And then of course there's the funds to consider which capitalize on the sector that I feel is undervalued. So for example, I'm telling you that, sector specifically, US banks are undervalued. So I list some funds that you could invest in to capitalize on that. And I do the exact same thing for the US market. So really, really, really cool. It's a weekly opportunity report. Just another one of the perks that you get as a PII member here. So we covered all of them. So that's the real-time stock trade weekly newsletter opportunity report. Again, you could find those in the membership tab, which you will see and unlock when you do join the Inner Circle program. And then priority reply to comments. That's just basically when you leave me a question or a comment or on any one of my videos, you will get a badge. Once you join the program, you do get a little badge. So this tells me, notifies me that you are a paid member, which gives you the priority for me to reply to your question or comment. Of course, I can't guarantee that I'll reply because I get so many, but it definitely gives you the priority. So that in a nutshell are the perks and benefits. Now let's talk about the live stream. So obviously, like I mentioned before, I plan on doing one video and a live stream every single month and alternating between them. So most likely I'll do a live stream every 2 months. So there's actually one for August. So if you go to the membership tab, you see that I actually announced the live stream. You'll see this picture. This is a new picture. I'll start using this from now on, so you know that I'm declaring a live stream. And this is where you'll be able to submit your question in advance. So you see, hi PII Inner Circle members, please submit your question in advance, blah, blah, blah. So all you got to do is go to the comment section or leave me a comment on this post, and that will basically that's how you leave the question for me to answer live on the live stream. So you could scroll down, you could see other people's questions. If you like someone else's question, if you have the same question, hit the thumbs up on it, because I will definitely give priority to the questions that are the most liked, right? So that is number one. So that is basically it when it comes to the live streams. Of course, at the beginning of the post, I will let you know the exact date and time where it is, the date and time of when it is. And if you want to see it directly, you go up. I'll show you another way to look at them. You go to live. Okay, you go to live. That is where you'll see the live streams, and you'll see here it is. It's actually scheduled. You see the live stream is scheduled for August 26th. You could even hit notify me, but August 26th at that time, you click on this and you'll see me live there. All right, so that is basically it when it comes to the live streams. Now, if you noticed, there is two levels. There's a PII Inner Circle level, and then there's a PII Inner Circle Plus level, which is a little bit more. And the main advantage, first of all, you get 30% off coaching sessions. So as you all know, on my website, on my homepage, I offer a one-on-one coaching session. If you are a PII Inner Circle Plus member, you get 30% off when you book a session. Just contact us to book a session. I did this perk because there's a lot of you that like to book a coaching session once every 6 months, once a year. So I figure, I give you a discount if you're a PII Inner Circle Plus member. That is one of the perks of the Plus, of the second level. The other one is the priority answers during members only live stream. So remember, you click on membership. When a live stream is announced, you can leave me a question. Well, PII Inner Circle Plus members will see, unfortunately, when I send out a post to all members or PII Inner Circle members, the Plus members will see that post as well. So what I'm trying to say basically is that I cannot send out a post only for regular PII Inner Circle members and exclude the Plus. If I send one to the regular members, the Plus will get them, unfortunately. So how do the PII Inner Circle Plus members get the priority to get their questions asked during a live stream? Well, as a Inner Circle Plus member, you will see a post with you'll see two posts. You'll see one for the regular members, Inner Circle, but you exclusively will see one for PII Inner Circle Plus members. So this is where PII Inner Circle Plus members need to leave me your questions or comments to get that priority, because there's a lot less Plus members than regular members. So unfortunately, you will always see two posts when a live stream comes out. But if you're a Plus member and you have a question you want to leave me, make sure you leave it within this post, within the PII Inner Circle Plus post. So again, you just click the little comments tab, and you see right off the bat, there's only 5 comments or questions. For the Plus, and for the regular members, there's over 20. So you'll probably get your question answered during the live stream if you are a Plus member. So those are the 2 extra perks that the PII Inner Circle Plus members get. So I really created this in case you want more contact with me. You're planning on doing coaching sessions and you're a little bit more meticulous when it comes to your portfolio management. You like to talk to me more often. You have a lot of questions. So consider the PII Inner Circle Plus. It's only $5 a month instead of $3 a month. If these 2 bonus features are positive for you. So that in a nutshell, everyone, is how to take full advantage, how to join the PII Inner Circle Plus and regular membership. Again, any one of my videos, you click the join button. If you don't see it on your phone, go on a laptop or a desktop and make sure you sign up and do the process while you're logged in to your YouTube account. And these are the perks and benefits that I explained to you. So hopefully you consider becoming an Inner Circle member. We're all in it together. So if you have any other questions, I hope there isn't. I hope I covered everything. Leave me a question in the, as a comment, and see you next time. Hey, don't go yet. A few reminders before you leave. Did you know that I launched a YouTube loyalty membership program where for only $3 a month, you could become a PII Inner Circle member, where you will gain access to exclusive content, exclusive videos and live streams, as well as other perks and benefits, including a really cool weekly opportunity report. That's right. If you're interested, just click on the little join button next to the subscribe button to see what it's all about. Also, make sure to follow me on Blossom and download Blossom. It's a social investing app, which is really cool. You could share your portfolio, follow other people's portfolios, including my own. My username is Adrian_PII. So download it with the referral link below. Not only is it free, but you could actually earn cash by taking these really small, quick 1-minute courses. Really awesome. It's a no-brainer. Also, make sure to visit our website, passiveincomeinvesting.ca. That's where you could book a one-on-one private coaching session with yours truly, with myself, where you could ask me all the questions you want. All the information and booking information is on the website. Make sure to check out that video on the homepage there to see how to book a one-on-one properly. Also on my website, you could purchase my digital product, which I'm very proud of, the Ultimate DIY Investing Package. This is a reference tool or a companion tool that will help you build your own portfolio. So it has lists of funds, it has sample portfolios, and it covers both the Canadian and US stock markets. And the good news is you'll only ever have to buy it once because it comes with free lifetime updates. And my plan is really to update the version every single year. So make sure to pick it up. Also, I have Questrade and PASSIV referral links below. So Questrade is the broker that I personally use, and PASSIV is the broker companion tool or assistant that I use. Really cool program, really cool software. So I have referral links for both of those. Questrade, $50 of free trades. And PASSIV, I have half off for the elite membership. If you're interested in the elite membership, and even if you want to start out with the free membership and upgrade to the elite afterwards, use my referral code so you could still get that 50% off. And don't forget that the elite membership of PASSIV is 100% free if you use Questrade. For social media, we have a very successful and big Facebook group, private Facebook group with over 14,000 members where we all try to help each other out. So make sure to join that group. Information is below. We also have Instagram where you could follow us or more personal stuff when it comes to our life here in Panama. And there's LinkedIn as well. So as usual, everyone, how do I leave you? Continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and of course, stay passive. See you next time.